Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty from coronavirus. I am also fine. I am going to take in your class 9-10 English second word. You look at the blackboard. Now I am going to complete the sentence. Completing sentence. Complete sentence. If you complete the incomplete sentence, you have to remember some rules of complete sentence. Now I am discuss about the rules of completing sentence. At first we can see the rules so that with the help of so that you may complete the incomplete sentence. You may complete the incomplete sentence. In this sentence, you must remember that a structure you must remember. First, present tense, so that subject can make or verb plus present for plus extension. Now I am writing the structure on the blackboard. Present tense plus so that plus subject plus can make plus verb plus extension. With the help of structure, you may complete the sentence. Now I give you example. He works hard. He works hard. You know that he works hard. You know that he works hard so that. When you see the so that, before so that, the tense is present form. The tense is present form. The present form tense. So that after so that you have to complete a sensible sentence. The sentence must be subject. So that means subject. He works at so that he. So that he may. So that he may prosper in life. Prosper in life. Present tense, he works hard. Present tense. So that he subject in this sentence. He may auxiliary verb, that means modal verb, and prosper in life. Is extension. He works hard so that he may prosper. Prosper means verb. Prosper means verb in life. That is extension. In this structure, you know that he works present form, present tense, so that he subject may auxiliary verb. That means modal verb and prosper verb plus in life extension. When you see that so that before such that the tense, if the tense past form, if the tense past form, not present form, past form, the structure will be past tense plus so that plus subject plus who plus mind plus verb plus extension. In this structure, before so that the tense will be past tense. That this example will be work hard. He worked hard there. So that. Sorry. He worked hard so that. He worked hard so that he could prosper in life. He worked hard so that he could prosper in life. You know that before so that the tense past form, but after the so that subject can present form. It often could, may, might, and have an extension in life. You must remember the rules of so that. Another rules of, now I am writing on the blackboard. So that in this structure, before so that present form, after that the subject can, may, might, subject verb present form, so plus adjective plus that plus subject plus can, may, verb extension. This is so that in this subject structure subject verb present form plus for plus adjective plus that plus subject plus may, can, plus verb plus extension. Subject verb present form. Present form. So plus adjective plus that plus subject plus may, can, verb plus extension. With the help of the structure, we can complete in incomplete sentence. Now an example on the blackboard. You can write this example. He is so strong. He is so strong that he is so strong that he can carry out his present, his subject is present for plus so plus strong adjective conjunction that his subject may or can. You can may or can present form and carry verb the load extension. That is, in this way, he is so strong. He is so strong that he can carry the load. He is so strong that can carry the load. According to this structure, you can complete the information. When you see so plus adjective plus that, so plus adjective plus that, and incomplete sentence must be subject plus can or may plus verb present form, the extension of the verb. Now we are see in this sentence, if the structure present form, not only present but also past form. Past form, if the past form, that means he was so strong. He was so strong that in this sentence, could carry the so also he was present past form. Strong adjective. That after that he can present form but past form he can carry the load. He was so strong that he could carry the load. That he could carry the load. You can fill in incomplete sentence by the help of subject verb present form plus so plus adjective plus that plus subject plus may or can verb plus extension. Another way, subject verb past form, so that adjective that plus subject plus might or could verb plus extension. In this way, you can incomplete sentence. You can incomplete the sentence. Now we are going another rules of complete sentence. When you see in the examination in your question, who? When you see two or two in this sentence, incomplete sentence, that means he is too weak. That means he is too weak. That he is too weak to work. He is too weak to work. He is too weak to work. In this sentence, he subject is present form plus 2 plus adjective plus 2 plus verb plus extension. In this way, he was so weak that he was too weak to work. He is too weak to work. He is too weak to work. The man is too poor to repay the loan. The man is too poor to repay the loan. In this way, you can complete in incomplete sentence. Now, we are going to another structure, by plus gerund and without plus gerund. It is important. By plus gerund and without plus gerund. With the help of by plus gerund, without plus gerund, you can complete in incomplete sentence. Gerund, a gerund is the present participle form. That means verb plus ing. A gerund is a present participle form. That means by verb plus ing, and it is like a noun. Its verb is like a noun. Gerund means verb ing. It is like a noun. Now I am giving example. By reading attentively, you can pass the examination. By reading attentively. By reading attentively. When you see the incomplete sentence by reading attentively. By composition and reading gerund attentively, you must complete. You can subject by reading attentively. In this subject you. By reading attentively, you can pass the examination. You can pass the examination. By reading attentively, you can pass the examination. In this way, by reading more, you can success in life. You must gerund means verb plus ing. It is like a verb, a noun. It works like a noun. It works like a noun. Without plus gerund, without reading attentively. Without reading attentively, you cannot pass the exam. Without plus gerund, without preposition, reading gerund attentively, you cannot pass the examination. In this sentence, it is negative form. Without reading attentively, you cannot pass the examination. By plus gerund, it is affirmative. You can pass the examination. But in this sentence, without gerund, you cannot pass the examination. It is negative form. I hope that you have already learned these rules of incomplete sentence. You read at home attentively. Now I am going to homework. You must write answer the homework in your exercise. After opening your class, you must see us. Thank you, my dear student. You must save it at home. Now I am leaving from your class. I wish I success in your life. Thank you all. Bye. I hope you will remain safe in your at home. Thank you all.